Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn 3 ways of styling using CSS. Like and subscribe to help the channel. For this video, I will be using Visual Studio Code. There are 3 ways we can style an HTML element using CSS. An HTML element is a content on our website, and we can use CSS to style and design the element to change how it looks. The 3 ways of styling are inline, which is done in one line in the HTML file, internal, which is done in the HTML file, and external, which is done in an external CSS file. That's right, 2 of the ways of styling are done in the main HTML file and not in a separate CSS file, and that will be the inline and the internal way of styling. The inline way of styling is to write a tag you want to style and use the style attribute on the same line. Here we are using style as an attribute of our main tag. When writing an attribute of a tag, make sure to write the attribute inside the angle brackets after the main keyword. After writing style all lowercase, followed it with an equal sign and a set of quotation marks. Inside the quotes, you can write whatever you want. I'll just change the font color of our text. You will learn about this in future videos. The next way to style is to use internal styling. In this way, we basically create a separate style element in our HTML file. We write our code inside the style tags. For my code, I will select all H1 tags on our website and change their text color to red. We will learn about selecting different elements on our web page in a future video. But for now, don't worry about it. And the last and the most familiar way is to use external styling. It is when we write our code in a CSS file outside our main HTML file. To use our separate CSS file, we connect it to our HTML file by using the link tag. Writing your code in a separate file is like using internal styling, but you don't write your code in a style tag, but rather you write it directly. So yeah, these are all 3 ways of styling to style your HTML elements. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.